Okay, und wir sind wieder da. We're back again. Willkommen im Froschmünzenkaufhaus. Welcome to the Frog Coin shopping house. Kauf means shop, and then house is a house. So the shop. Du bist das erste Mal hier, oder? This is your first time here, right? Die grünen Münzen, die du manchmal findest, sind Froschmünzen. The green coins that you sometimes find are frog coins. Sammle sie und du kannst am Froschteich einkaufen. Gather them and you can go shopping at Frog Pond. Das hier ist die Saftbar. This here is the juice bar. Bist du ein Mitglied? Are you a member? Sogar Toadstool ist hier Mitglied. Even Toadstool is a member here. Entschuldigung, aber das ist das ganze Menü für Nicht-Mitglieder. Excuse me, sorry, but this is the whole menu for non-members. And all we have is this Froschsaft. Füllt 30 HP der Party auf. Oh, it's not bad. So it heals the party for 30 HP for everyone. That's kind of cool. But how do we become a member? Melodiebuch. Okay, spiele Noten, indem du auf Kaulquappen springst. Play notes by jumping on tadpoles. Zeig, was du kannst. Okay. Oh, it's Toadstool there. Hast du das komponiert? Have you composed that? Did you compose that? Nein, das ist nicht die Melodie. No, that's not the melody. Let's talk to him. Ich bin der Komponist Toadstool. I'm the composer Toadstool. Ich arbeite an meinem nächsten Meisterstück, aber mir fällt nichts ein. I'm working on my next masterpiece, but nothing's coming to me. Willst du eine Musikstunde von moi? Do you want a music lesson from me? Sure. Fangen wir mit Notenlesen an. Let's begin with note reading. Siehst du die 5 Linien? Do you see the 5 lines? Zwischen der dritten und vierten Linie von oben liegt das Do. Okay, between the third and fourth lines from the top lies Do. Nach oben sind die Noten Do, Re, Mi. From the top, the notes are Do, Re, Mi. Darunter findest du Do, Ti, La, So, Fa. So kann man komponieren. This is how you compose. Okay. Who are you? Ich habe diesen Traum, Komponist zu werden. I have a dream of being a composer. Ich will so berühmt wie Toadstool werden. I want to be as famous as Toadstool. Okay. Mein Lieblingslied. My favorite song? Es ist Frogfucius Suite Nummer 18. It's Frogfucius Suite number 18. Sol, La, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re. This has got to be the thing that we're supposed to put into the melody we've got to play on the tadpoles over there. Toadstool mag es auch. Toadstool likes it too. So, okay, Sol, La, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re. Okay, let's try this one. So, La, Mi. So that'll be the top one. So, La, Mi, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re. Oh, there we go. Das ist es. That's it. Das ist die Melodie, nach der ich suche. That's the melody that I've been looking for. Vielen Dank für die Inspiration. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Bitte nimm das als Zeichen meiner Anerkennung. Please take this as a sign of my appreciation. Altkarte erhalten. The alto card received. Wenn ich mal wieder Hilfe brauchen sollte, gibt es ja noch dich, oder? If I should need help again, gibt es dich. You're there. And then ja noch, you'll still be there. So there's always you if I need help. Oder? Right? Bis dann, adieu. Until then, adieu. Okay, so we just got the Altkarte, and I think that's got to be for this this juice bar here, where they said we had to be a member or a Mitglied. So let's talk to him again. Bitte sehr, excuse me. Ah, du hast eine Altkarte. You have an Alto card. Was willst du? Okay, so we could get this Froschsaft and also now the Elixir. Führt 80 HP der Party auf. Okay, so we get 80 hit points for the whole party. That's pretty cool. I'll buy a couple of those. They seem like they could be useful. But we don't honestly even have 80 hit points, so no need to buy that elixir. Okay, and now we were supposed to go to Rosendorf. So, Rose Town, and this is Rosenweg, the Rose Way. Time to read this little note here. Du kannst bei blauer Farbe nicht herunterspringen. You can't jump down when the color is blue. Springe nur von einem gelben Block. Okay, only jump from a yellow block. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're going back the way we came. Do I need to heal? Not really. Okay, I want to find a way to get to that flower. Come this way. Aha. I don't like the look of that sea star, so we're just gonna jump on him. Fight the shy guy. Ouch. Okay. There we go. Okay, and Sprung auf Stern Klaps. Stern again means star. That's gonna be an important word in this. And I'm guessing Klaps is just like a kind of an onomatopoeia word that sounds like it sounds like. I don't know. So like I think in English it was star slap. So it's gonna be something like that or clap or something because that little star always is coming up and slapping you. Oh, I've got a... Okay. Okay, and Mario's asleep. Awesome. We're gonna use Donnerschlag. I thought I had that, the froggy stick equipped on Malo, so I guess maybe I ended up with it unequipped somehow. Gotta re-equip that. Okay. There we go. Okay, nice. Ooh, and eine Froschmünze, frog coin. And if I come here, oh. What if how do I get that coin? Ugh, no, oh, awesome. Okay, why not? We'll get this mushroom, why not? Oh, geez. Okay, and the Snapdragon. Okay, let's see if he does any more. Oh yeah, significantly more. Okay. Finish him off with a jump. A sprung. Okay, and victory. Okay. Man, these guys are everywhere. There, he's down. Okay. Another time a sprung. And we'll finish him off. Okay. Oh no. Oh, jeez. That's good. Finally through there. Ooh, I like these thief guys. You get a lot of money from them. So we're gonna try and just take them out as quickly as we can. Let's use Donnerschlag. Oh, didn't work. I was hoping we could do more on that thief. Ah, and Mario's dead. That's annoying. And let's see if just attacking is going to do more. Oh, okay. Well, it was good enough. Okay. Level 6, Supersprung, super jump. Yeah, we want to improve our attack. Okay. And we will Spezial, HP Regen. I guess we'll use it on him, why not? I was gonna heal Mario, but then Mario got a level, even though he was dead, which is cool. I like that this game does that, that you can still get experience when your party member's down. It's always annoying in games when, like, I don't know, you're fighting a boss or something and supposed to get a lot of experience, and then one of your guys dies, and then, because they're the weakest and the lowest leveled, and then suddenly they're losing even more experience. And anyway, nice that this does not do that. Sprung. And tot. He's dead. Okay. Okay, level 6. We'll go with the Angreif again. Okay. And who cares about those coins? We'll just continue on. But we'll get these coins. We'll fight these guys because we like getting the coins from them. Sternklops and Arachne. I don't think that's translated. I think it was just Arachne in the original too. That reference to Greek myth about the girl who is the good spinner, and then she ends up challenging goddess to a sewing contest, I think. All right. Get some more coins. Avoid these annoying shy guys. Oh, healing. And the thief again. Just attack with our Froststab. Ah, and he ran away. But even so, we got 11 Gelt right there. I think those thieves give you like 10 coins each, and that's pretty good. Oh, hey, Goombas. What's going on here? Okay, Leute, Reihen bilden. Okay, all right, people, form lines. Achtung, gepanzerte Krieger. Attention, armored warriors. Huttragende Zauberer. Hat-wearing wizards. And he didn't say anything about the Goombas. Seems like they ought to feel left out. In the original, they talked about the Goombas. Maybe that's a translation error. Bowser und seine Truppen gehen wohl zu Bowser's Burg. Bowser and his troops are probably going to Bowser's castle. Komm schon, wir sind fast in Rosendorf. Come on, we're almost in Rosetown. nächstes Mal fangen wir an in Rosendorf. We're gonna start in Rosendorf next time. Vielen Dank für Zuschauen und bis bald.